Liquidation pallet reselling or unboxing has long been one of the most viral topics on YouTube, with people investing thousands of dollars into return pallets to get some good items and some bad. But what if I told you you can actually get into liquidation reselling with as little as $12 by going to your nearby bin store? These stores have been popping up everywhere recently and allow you to buy items individually from massive Amazon, Walmart, or Home Depot return liquidations. For this video, I'm going to be driving to Detroit, Michigan to go meet with my friend Mark with Finance Unfolded because they have one of these bin liquidations stores that tomorrow is going to be getting a massive shipment of Amazon returns, and all of the items that come from these returns, good or bad, are going to be priced at just $12. So the absolute key tomorrow is to get to the location early. And with that being said, guys, we're going to hop in my car and let's drive to Michigan. And after making it 5 hours all the way to Michigan, it was time to begin this challenge. Good morning, guys. It is currently day one of this liquidation reselling journey. As you guys can see by my phone screen, it's currently 8:46 a.m. in the morning. The place opens at 10 a.m., but we're going to be going there right now because the key is to get there as early as possible because we want to be first in line and be able to pick out those $12 items before anyone else can. And I'm with my buddy Mark right here.
Yo, what's up, guys?
Have you been here before?
Yeah, so it's pretty crazy. At the start, everyone will be running, trying to grab as much stuff as they can because they just restocked.
I'm excited to see this. I have seen some videos about this on TikTok, and it seems like people go absolutely crazy. So the key is to be first in line. And just like that, we made it to this bin store, dude.
There's already people waiting an hour and a half early.
Oh my gosh, there's already people here.
They already have their stuff camped out. There might be multiple people.
What? People have their stuff just lined up. Is that fair?
I don't know, but people are in their car, it looks like.
Damn, guys, so it looks like already we're not going to be first in line, but we did get here pretty early. We're definitely going to be in the first like 10 people at least, I want to say. So we're going to head out right now, get in line as soon as possible, because I bet a lot more people are going to be showing up by the time this place opens. And just like that, guys, we are officially in line. I think we're number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's go. Not great, but we'll take it. Now, all we have to do is wait from 8:50 to 10 a.m. until this place opens up, which is an hour and 10 minutes. And while waiting in line, we met some interesting characters.
Is this your first time coming? You come back a couple times?
I come here all the time, but I usually don't come on $12 a day.
How these places work is the first day the new items drop, everything is priced at just $12. But throughout the week, prices slowly decrease to $10, then $8, and eventually just $1 per item until the place restocks.
We just gonna try to grab.
We don't know. We haven't seen anything on Facebook or nothing. We're just showing up, seeing what's there.
A lot of good stuff in here. There's a lot of pretty good stuff, but you always have to make sure to just test it before buying it. You only allowed to test 4 things though, that's it.
This guy gave a lot of good advice, but he was kind of weird.
You just gotta watch these damn Arabic women. They're like savages. They're like animals. They had tomahawks and everything, spears that trying to get at me.
What? All right, guys, so right now that we're in front of the store, I want to go ahead and look inside to see if we can see anything that we might be able to resell. Looking in the window, there are a bunch of products that we're going to be able to get. But keep in mind, guys, although I'm seeing a lot of good products, it's definitely going to be hard to get a lot of them since I'm assuming that it's going to be a pretty long line today. And as the line kept stacking up around the block, the place finally opened up.
Hey! Excuse me.
No pushing, no running. Good morning, everyone.
Holy shit, she's fucking cruising. I don't even know what to get, bro. I got caught off guard. I'll get this.
Pallet flipping is serious business, and after spending some time looking around, Mark and I found some good potential items.
Bro, you think any of this is worth something?
Dude, the dehumidifier, 100%.
You think?
That's a pretty solid find.
Okay, then I got an Xbox remote, and I got a drone.
I got an off-brand Oculus Quest 2 wireless keyboard. Is that good? Maybe? I don't know. Maybe not worth $12. And then the last thing I got, I don't know.
I think that could be good.
That could be good?
Yeah.
It looks kind of like something a kid would like. Worst case, I give it to my nephews.
Bro, the problem with a lot of these, though, is they don't have comps on eBay.
We gotta go through everything and see what we want to keep and what we want to get rid of. I went through all the products, getting rid of a lot more items than I thought. The goal was to only take items that would double my investment or more. So this product right here looks like a definite win. We're getting it for $12 and it's selling for like 30 bucks. I continued searching around the store for profitable products, and we also bought 2 mystery boxes for $100. Then it was time to check out. The total cost came out to $167.92, and I made sure to use my Found debit card. Found is a banking app designed specifically for solopreneurs and small business owners. And there's a good reason why people like me use it, since Found has built-in bookkeeping features on their app that automatically tracks and categorizes your expenses. This is super helpful when it comes tax time and the government wants to know all of your write-offs, like the items we bought today. Found can also help you create 1099s for contractors. You pay over $600 per year, which has been really helpful helpful to me since I'm pretty much a one-man show, and with all the stuff I do, the last thing I want to spend time on is multiple hours per week of accounting work. But at the end of the day, that stuff is important, so be sure to check out Found at the top link down below to handle all of your business finances in one app with no hidden fees, no required monthly fees, and no minimum balance requirements. The link will be down below in the description. And the best part is, Found is free to sign up for, and it only takes a few minutes.
Mark and I just left the store. We got about $170 worth of items, and you guys can see that includes 2 mystery boxes for $100 total, and then we also got about $60 worth of product right here. The mystery boxes are either going to be a moneymaker or lose us a lot. With that being said, we're going to be going to one more bin liquidation place, which is called Wild Bins. It is a total of 12 minutes away, and hopefully when we get there, we'll find some good stuff. And just like that, guys, we made it to Wild Bins. You guys can already tell that this place is way bigger than the other one.
And once we got inside Wild Bins, we started looking around and quickly found some profitable items.
Found this security camera that's selling for $12, and when you look at it on eBay sold listings, it's going for like $40, $39.99, and one is selling at least every single day. So this is definitely a product we want to grab.
And we also found this gamer headset.
Do you want to look it up on eBay, Mark?
Yeah.
How much do you think this is worth? Oh shit, 24 on the low end, which is still cheaper than we're getting it, double the price. So this is definitely a decent product, but it's about to get even better because at 1 p.m. all of this stuff over here is going to get opened up, and these are products that nobody has gone through yet.
Be respectful of each other. Do not push or shove. We see anybody pushing or shoving, we will ask you to exit the store immediately.
Let's see.
Things got kind of crazy, but Mark and I were able to find some more products to flip before checking out at the store.
We just made it back to Mark's house after a long day of deal hunting, and you guys can see right here, we got quite a few packages. We got the 2 Amazon mystery boxes, and then all of the bags of product we got from the stores we went to.
Then it was time to get photos taken of all the products we bought and also list them on Facebook Marketplace, with some products also on eBay. This entire process took about an hour and a half. I just got all the products we bought listed on both eBay and Facebook Marketplace, and if everything sells right now for the prices I listed stuff at, we're gonna generate around $270 in sales, and with product costs on all of these items, we're gonna earn a profit of between $100 and $150, depending on how many of those items sell on eBay, since they take some hefty fees. This doesn't include the items we got from the mystery boxes yet, but let's flash back to Mark and I unboxing them.
Those might be valuable.
So yeah, it looks like we got some wireless lav mics that work for the phone. These are probably worth like 20 bucks, and what did we pay for the whole box? 50? So this already makes like almost half of our money back. Then we honestly got a whole bunch of useless shit. And we have a Amazon bubble mailer. What? No way.
One screw.
Dude, come on now.
Looking through the rest of the mystery box, as I predicted, we didn't find many good products.
So guys, what we're gonna be doing next is separating the products we got from this first mystery box into 2 piles. The junk pile over there and the good products pile over there. After looking through all the products from that first mystery box, I think we only found 2 products that are gonna be worth reselling, and that's these earbuds right here, along with these mics right here. I think it's gonna be worth more than $50 combined, which makes up for the cost of the mystery box.
And in the second mystery box, we found
more garbage signs, a micro camera, a lot more trash, deodorant, fake AirPods. Look at these. And an Amazon gift card for 60 bucks, bro. More fake AirPods.
Earlier in the day, I spoke with the owner of the first store about the mystery boxes, and he told me the truth about them.
Amazon has programs. Some of them, for example, high-end clothes, low-end clothes, more electronic. So we have 3 programs that we use here. Mystery box is one that we honestly use a little bit on the bins, but more to retail because we don't find many like big exciting stuff. Mystery bags is from a vendor. It's like a human, like we get loads, phone covers and stuff like that. They don't usually sell on $12 a day. So for the fairness for the customer, we keep them brand new and we put them in those bags.
So guys, we just talked to the owner about potentially buying either those mystery boxes or the mystery bags that they sell, and he said it wasn't really worth it. Or at least that's what I got out of the combo.
Yeah.
This shouldn't come as news, but if you're looking to profit, you're better off searching for products you know for a fact you can sell for more money online than gambling money on mystery boxes. But we still got the mystery boxes because Mark and I wanted to make TikTok content, and on our videos, we got a combined 100,000 views, so in that sense, it was worth it. And we also found some decent products that could make back most of the money we spent. But focusing the rest of the video on selling the products we bought from the bins, so far nothing on Facebook Marketplace has gotten any traction, but we already sold 2 items on eBay. Boom, as you guys can see, we sold this printer ink cartridge, and we also sold this dehumidifier. Both these products only cost us $12 each, and they sold on eBay for a
combined $94.99. But of course, we have to subtract pretty hefty eBay fees, shipping costs, and that brings us down to a total profit of $42.69.
And by the next day, I woke up to 3 more sales.
And today I have to package up this lav mic we got from the mystery box, and then this keyboard and this gaming controller that we spent $12 each on, since all these products sold on eBay. So let's package them up, guys.
A lot of items sold in the first few days, but it took us a total of about 3 weeks to sell almost every single item we bought from the bins.
The only item that hasn't sold so far, and looking back was definitely a mistake to buy, is this Oculus Quest 2 strap. For some reason when I bought it, I thought it was just an off-brand Oculus Quest 2, but it's literally just the strap and it's not worth anything.
The truth is, at these bin stores, most of the items aren't worth much of anything, but if you arrive early and know what to look for, some people are finding products as crazy as laptops, really expensive toolkits, or Lego sets in the bins that can be super profitable. And if you don't have a lot of money to get into liquidation reselling, this is a good method to try out, since in this video, we only spent $206.86 on product cost across the first and second stores. Shipping costs for all the product added another $45. Then we spent $36.13 on eBay fees. And finally, we brought in $277.93 in revenue selling 9 of our products on eBay. And then don't forget, we also got a $60 Amazon gift card from one of the mystery boxes. That's a profit of $49.94, which isn't anything crazy, but for such a small investment, and especially for those of you selling on eBay, this is a good way to make some extra money. And who knows, maybe you'll get lucky and find a super high ticket product you can sell for 10x the investment. With that being said, if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, check out the sponsor found down below, and I will see you guys next week with another one. Peace out.